Jos Ekscelencija Lietuvos Respublikos prezidentė Dalia Grybauskaitė.
A word from Her Excellency, the President of the Republic of Lithuania, Dalia Grybauskaitė.
Mėly europiečiai, ką tik nuskambėjęs kūrinys, kaip ir Europos Sąjunga, kurioje balsų yra daug. Jie visi skirtingi, tačiau gali skambėti kartu harmoningai ir ritmingai. Jeigu vieni kitus girdėsime, visada susitarsime. Lietuvos tikslas, kad per šį pusmetį daugiabalsė mūsų bendryje skambėtų ryžtingai ir sutartinai. Dear Europeans, I guess everything has already been said within this musical performance. It perfectly illustrates what the presidency or the council is about. It is a choir where different voices come together. Lithuanian multi-voice songs, so-called sutartinės, provide the key on how it becomes possible. Sutartinė translates into English as in agreement, in concord. There is no better illustration of our task for the upcoming 6 months as the presidency of the Council. Seeking agreement among member states, steering us all towards a meaningful result. We will mobilize all members and institutions to strengthen Europe's financial posture, to put economies on the path of growth, to create jobs for people, and to make Europe's openness our strength. This sound of drums will serve as a reminder to keep the tempo, because time is crucial. It is symbolic that today Lithuania takes over the presidency from Ireland. It was during Irish presidency in 2004 that Lithuania became a member of this union. 9 years on, we will try to fill the footsteps of Irish presidency, building on the achievements of their success. The EU flag goes to Lithuanian people. We offer our hearts and minds to build a common future, a future that, like our sutartinė, speaks of unity. ES vėliava pereina Lietuvos žmonėms. Mes atveriame savo širdis ir protą tam, kad kurtume bendrą Europos ateitį. Ateitį, kuri, kaip ir mūsų sutartinė, bylotų vienybę.